We're holding it. So we initiated this position in 2016 at about $116 a share. Due to prudent portfolio management, we have trimmed it a little bit here and there over the years. We have a 2 and change % position in the disciplined growth strategy, and we are holding it. We are not adding to it, but it's one of those things, I think, when you say you're holding, it's kind of the same as saying you're buying, right? Because either you're selling or you're buying, but holding to me is really equivalent to buying. So no, I'm not adding, but if I didn't have it, maybe it would be the time to add.
All right. So Degas, Jenny brings up an interesting point. She said that, many of these stocks are priced not just for perfection, but way past perfection. I wonder what that then means for a company, say, like Meta Platforms or with PayPal versus what Google/Alphabet just reported over the course of the last couple of days. Alphabet apparently was priced not enough for perfection. It goes up on its earnings. We see Facebook going down. We see PayPal going down. How exactly then do you handicap the trade? And is Meta being measured using the right metrics right now?
Well, one of the things that I see is that, to Jenny's point, if you miss expectations, you have downward pressure. And that's the first thing we see with Meta. But there's also some underlying issues with Meta. Meta gets about 96% of their revenues from ads. The other FANGs have more varied business models. So we have to then look at the business model. And so the business model for Meta is going to be challenged. Right now, they're monetizing against Instagram. They have like 3 billion users of Instagram, and they have about 3 million advertisers on that. So Instagram is starting to monetize. However, there's a challenge with monetizing WhatsApp app and also Messenger. So there's going to be a challenge around how can they monetize this going forward. And then the whole thing about the metaverse. The metaverse, as we talked about, is really losing investments. You said 10 to 15 years. This will be a problem because right now people really haven't figured out what the metaverse is all about. Is it going to be focused only on gaming? Is it going to be focused on fitness, having meetings? So there's a lot of questions around the business model of Facebook. And so I think that's part of it also. And that's why we saw such a sharp pullback in this price.